Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niagite na igutha inene thutha wa watho urendekithitie mundu utamukirite njanjo ya COVID-19 gukorwo atakuheo motungata ma thirikari. Akirekereria itua riri mucirithanio wa igoti inene Anthony Marima augite no muhaka cira uyu uthikiririo na utuithanio kuona wari mugaru na watho na ningi wari na muthutukanio.
Nobody is being forced to be vaccinated. Let's start from there. However, your right not to be vaccinated does not mean that then you become a threat to those who wish to be vaccinated.
Cira uyu uhanditwo igoti-ini ni muhuri biashara Enoch Aura gwitukira wakiri wake Harrison Kinyanjui. Aura akiuga watho uyu ni wagararite ihoto cia muingi cia gigatiba ta wiyathi wa gucera kundu gutiganite guku bururi-ini.
I don't even know why anybody went to court about this mandatory issue, because there is nothing like that. We have not issued any mandatory vaccination order.
Aya mokite orere gikiro kia ugwatania wa murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini githiete na mbere na kwambatira. Umuthi gikiro giki kirugamira gicunjĩ gĩa 11.5 harĩ igana kuri andu 331 monekanite na murimu wa COVID-19 ithabu ria arwaru rikirugamira andu 256,815.
If we can get people sufficiently vaccinated, there is no point of a lockdown. And that's why we are saying even to go to a pub.
Gukinyaniria na riu njanjo makiria ma milioni 8.2 nicio ithecanitwo guku bururi-ini. Akenya milioni 4.9 makiamukira njanjo ya mbere, andu milioni 3.2 magithecwo njanjo cieri, guku ciana 8,000 iria iri gatagati-ini ka ukuru wa miaka 15 nginya 18 niyo mamukirite njanjo ya mbere ya COVID-19.
This new variant is most likely going to spread across the world, and therefore we need to be ready. We don't want to start hurrying in the last minute preparations.
Ica ikuhi Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe niugite ni marathugunda gucokia imwe ya mikana iria meheretie ya kuhurana na gutherema kwa murimu uyu guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV returakoni wa Njuru wa Foro.